Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. I'm in Holland at the moment and I just got a new Christmas tree because it is almost Christmas and I am super excited because Christmas and December are actually one of my favorite seasons. Yeah, family comes together, people come together, presents, and in any city you walk, there are always like so many like little lights, and I don't know, it just gives a very cozy and fun atmosphere. So during Christmas time, there's always a big present stress. Well, that's kind of for me because I really love to get presents for my whole family and even friends. And in today's video, I thought it would be fun to kind of share what kind of things I would buy for family members or for your boyfriend or sister or friend or anyone you want to give something during Christmas. So I want to share with you guys a couple of ideas with totally different price ranges. I feel if you don't want to spend money on a present and you want to be creative, I have a couple ideas for you as well. So yeah, I will just go around in my family. A present I would buy my mom is a really nice candle. I feel a lot of people like this during like the holiday seasons or actually any season, and this is just a moment that a lot of people put candles on, and I feel a candle yeah, is a really nice present because it has something with a smell and it can look beautiful. So I actually shared this candle already a couple times in different videos, and this is my absolutely favorite candle. This one is Trudon, and I will open this actually for you guys. And the one I got is Positano, which is one of my favorite scents. So this is actually a French brand, but you can buy this anywhere. And besides, it looks super chic and it smells really good. So this is like a fun idea to give your mom. Then dad, I find that like one of the hardest of the whole family because what do you buy your dad? So for my dad, I'm going to get the Start With Why book by Simon Sinek. And I read the book as well and I can really recommend it. I don't know, it kind of makes you start think in a different way, and I feel this is like a perfect dad book. Also, I'm going to surprise him this year with audiobooks. I think he has never tried it, but he drives to his work quite a bit. And I think an audiobook would be something really fun for him to try out. So I will actually also link all the products and things I'm talking about in the description below, so you can take a look at it as well. Okay, then we're gonna go to a sister. Unfortunately, I don't have a sister, but I have a lot of girlfriends who kind of feel like sisters to me. I often also celebrate kind of like a Christmas Eve or Christmas Day with girlfriends, and we like to give each other flowers, but during Christmas that might be a little bit strange. But something for an apartment or for a home, I feel a lot of girls really like that. And I really like these kind of like cactus, and this is like in a marble thing. I think this you can just put anywhere in the room. It's actually a very simple and easy accessory in your house. And with that, I found this in Urban Outfitters, and it makes it actually much more fun. This is a Grow It Cactus gift box. So instead of giving the plant, you can actually give a kit, and someone can do it herself or himself. You can actually give this to your brother as well. So yeah, I think I've never tried it, but I feel this is like a super cute present to give someone. And yeah, actually presents for girls are so easy because I feel there are like hundreds of things like I really like to get, and I would like to gift as well. And I feel going into like Sephora is always a big success, and something I will give my girlfriends are some masks. I feel every girl loves a good face mask. So I talked about this before. So here I have some different masks from the brand Herbivore, which is like all natural and cruelty free, and yeah, super pretty. Another brand I really like is Fresh, and this is one of my favorite masks, the Fibrance Vitamin C mask. And it really, there is a lot of fruit in there, so it really like recovers your skin, and it's full of like vitamin A. So in the dry winter months, everyone can use a nice face mask. Another cute present would be jewelry. Some girls don't really like it, but a lot of girls do. And I am a huge jewelry fan. You guys have seen that in one of my coffee talks. And yeah, I always like to kind of switch up my jewelry and try different things. And yeah, I feel I love to get jewelry as well. So on the Christmas market, I got a really cute ring, and this is an earring from the brand Hobby Rose. And it's actually really easy to find like really cute jewelry online, and a couple of websites I like to go to are Love Aging, Etsy.com, or the M Jewelers. So yeah, these are kind of things I would give a sister or a girlfriend or even your mom. So maybe some of you guys know that I have a younger brother. He is 21 right now. So I had to go shopping for a 20-year-old brother, and I have to say this is quite challenging, but I did find some really fun things. Again, at Urban Outfitters, I feel they just have a lot of like super cute presents. I can just walk around there forever. This is like a little Bluetooth box, and it's like green, and I feel he can take this in the summer, especially like with him in his backpack, and yeah, have music anywhere he goes. Like, of course you have your phone, but this one is like much louder. I was actually very surprised by that. Maybe you see, it's much louder than a phone. So I feel this is like, whoa. I feel this is like a really fun present, because I feel this is something you wouldn't buy as fast yourself. And talking about putting a speaker in a backpack, I got this really cool backpack for my brother as well at Urban. And yeah, if your brother or boyfriend is a little bit younger, it's a really cool backpack to go to school with. And my brother goes to work, so yeah, he can take like his lunch, and like even if he goes for sports, he can take this. So I really like this color. Maybe I should get this actually for myself. I think it's super like sporty and really nice. And then boyfriend, that is also quite a challenge, and I honestly find it very hard to find a good present for my boyfriend. And something I want to give, and I feel it's really fun to get, is a stay in a hotel or a weekend away. I normally buy this like in a coupon form or like in a gift card, and then I just put it in a really cute like box or anything with a little note. So I'm in Holland at the moment, so I got this one which says weekend away. But I also bought in New York hotels.com gift card as well. Again, you will see these in the description down below, so you can take a look at it. And you know, it's also like, it's just fun to go with your boyfriend somewhere and stay for just 1 or 2 nights. I feel it's a nice surprise, and it's like a really nice getaway, romantic getaway. And something else what will be really fun for like your boyfriend or sister or brother is an Instax mini camera. And this is like a really small camera you can bring with, and immediately you get like small Polaroids. And yeah, I feel I always put these Polaroids like on my fridge or on the wall, and it's just like a cute, nice memory, and it's like a very fun present. So if you want to be a little bit more creative and also a little bit more on a budget, I have a couple of do-it-yourself ideas. And something I like to give like a friend or my mom is a homemade granola. Let me see. Ugh. So I have like a big pot, and the granola in here I made myself, and you can actually see the recipe of this granola in my very first what I eat in a day video. So yeah, I just made this, I just bought the pot for like a couple of dollars. I made the granola and I put a little card on it which says "with love." And I feel moms are very busy already, so they don't have time to make homemade granola. So I feel this is like a really nice present to give. And yeah, it's just really nice that you put like effort and work in it and you really made something out of it. I feel, yeah, that is like a really nice thought behind do-it-yourself gifts. And something else I really like to give or to get are scrapbooks. And for example, I got a book again for like a couple of dollars, and I feel it's really nice to kind of write something down, put like little photos in there. You can just like print it out, and you can put memories in there. You can put little stories in there. You can put little poems or little thoughts or just pictures, and yeah, you can make it all cute with different stickers or different backgrounds, different sayings. And I feel this is a very personal gift, and that makes it very fun to receive. I still have all my scrapbooks, and it's especially really nice to look back at it a couple years later. If you don't feel that creative, and if you are scared you're gonna cut yourself with the scissor, something what I've done before as well is making a book online. So yeah, I got one from all my girlfriends when we traveled to Thailand like a couple years ago. And it's actually really funny because it's like a lot of like party pictures, but it's a super nice memory, and I always have this. This one, for example, I made for Max. And this is just like a book about our year, and I share like pictures and little stories and little memories. So yeah, the website I used is mixbook.com, and it's really easy to put a book together. And yeah, this is the output of it. And another cute do-it-yourself idea is a letterbox. So yeah, in this box I put a lot of envelopes, and I put a day on it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and those stand for the day in a month. So I start my box on the 1st of January, and in every envelope I write like a little memory or a little thought or just a cute, sweet message. So the person who opens it up can pick every day an envelope and just read a little message. And I think this is just really fun to kind of surprise a person for 1 month straight, or maybe like 1 week straight, with every day a new surprise message. And you can also do this for just like the month of December, or you start on the 1st of January. You can do this anyway. So actually with this letterbox I kind of got inspired by you guys, because a lot of you write very sweet comments, and I read them all. And yeah, it's just really fun to kind of feel connected and to get feedback on certain videos or get certain suggestions. So I opened up also a letterbox. So in the month December, you guys can write me a personal letter. And I won't be home in New York until the new year, but I will write you guys all a letter back in the new year. So this is the address for the letterbox. I will also put it in the description below. Yeah, send anything you want, a cute letter or anything. Attach your own address in there as well, so I know where to send it back to. Yeah, I'm super excited to see what you guys are gonna write me. So yeah, if you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe as well. Hit the subscribe button and put your notifications on. And then I would say Merry Christmas already.